Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me. I hope everyone is doing well and staying safe. I have here a really sweet and adorable little project to show you. It uses only one 6x6 paper and it's really easy to put together. It is a great happy mail idea, especially for those that like doing happy mailing or for those that like doing swaps with their crafty friend. This is a cute little pocket for you to add some fun goodies and then send them off to your partner. But this is the cute little pocket. It's just so adorable. And what's great with this project is if you have a 12 by 12 paper, you can make 4 of these pockets. And what I've called it, it's a front and side pocket to load your goodies. It's really easy to put all your goodies. It's not chunky, but yet you can still fit some fun stuff inside. Especially now we're coming to Christmas. This will be a great little project for Christmas theme pocket, and then you can add some fun Christmas goodies in here. The pocket's also a great size to add gift cards or tea bags and just some fun package items. And then you've got a little spot here for your tags or for a little note. But I'm going to show you how it looks like on the inside, then I'll do a tutorial. I also have a couple of kits as well that I have put together that I'm excited to show you as well at the end of the video. But I'm going to show you how it looks like. So here on the front pocket, I've got a hidden altered paper clip, which I had done a tutorial, and I will put the link down below for you if you wanted to have a go and make your own little hidden paper clip. So with the hidden clip, you don't see the clip. You just see your embellishment. And then I used some gold glitter cardstock and punched it out with my heart shape punch. And then I embellished it with this really adorable embroidery embellishment in the center, and that's the back. So you still see that clip, but not the full paper clip. And then it just clips onto your pocket like that, and it just decorates your pocket really lovely. And then I've got in here a coordinating tag that matches the pocket. So that's the tag. And then I also made another tag and decorate that with a butterfly charm. And then I made this little tassel style bow as well with some of my crochet thread, and then embellished it with, and then attached a organza ribbon to the top. So that's just another little fun little gift. And then on the side of the pocket here, this is another fun pocket where you can add other goodies. I have here a little tiny vellum pocket that I put together, and this is just another little pocket where you can add some ephemera, stickers, some washi sample, just anything that will fit in the pocket. And it's just a really cute little vellum pocket. And then I've also put in some packaged embellishments, and it's just in here. And then I've just made my own little bag topper, and then a little tassel on the end, punched a hole on the corner, and then added this tassel. And this is the embellishment kit that I'm going to show you as well at the end, but there's a little bit more than what you get in here. I just put this one together just to show you that you can fit quite a few goodies inside the pocket like that. So that's just another idea. And then there was also a little envelope that was inside. And I think it's always great to add an envelope inside any kind of happy mail. It's just cute to either gift someone an envelope. You don't have to put anything inside, but you can always put some other fun stuff in there as well. And that just goes in there. And I'll just show how it looks like without the stuff inside. So that is the envelope. It's just really pretty. And the paper that I used, it's by Die Cuts with a View. It's their fairy tale floral 12 by 12 paper. It's a really pretty paper pad as well. So I'm going to show you how to make this cute little front and side pocket, and then I'll also show you the kit, and I'll also show you quickly how you can make this little tassel bow as well. So we'll make the pocket first, and to make the pocket you'll just need your 6x6 paper, or you can make this in any size you like, as long as it's a square piece of paper, but I do like using 6x6 paper, and it's just a perfect size. Okay, so I did use double-sided paper because I did like to be able to see both prints, but if you have single-sided paper, it doesn't matter, you can still use that. The only difference with single-sided paper, you'll be able to see the print on the front here, and the plain side will be this part here and this part, which you can just cover this part with by embellishing it. And then the plain part of the paper, which will be the back here, it doesn't really matter because all your goodies will cover most of that paper anyway. So that's just another option. All right, so now to make the pocket, if you decide which side you want your print to be in the front, if you've got double-sided paper, so in my case I want this to be the front, so then I'm going to turn that and have that facing down on my scoreboard, and then you're going to score at 2.5 inches, and then you're going to turn it around to the left side, and then we're going to score it at 4 inches. Oops. And then you'll see here you'll have 2 squares. This left, the right side, the longer side with the longer panel, we're going to remove that. So we're going to cut along that score line and this score line and remove that. You can use your paper trimmer if you want to have a nice straight cut. And once you've got that removed, we're going to keep this piece because we're still going to use that later on. So your paper should have a shape that looks like this. On this score line, we're going to fold this left side over. And then just pressing it down with your bone folder because you want a nice flat crease. And then you've got this little square here with that fold line. We're going to bring this piece up and we're going to fold that down as well. So that is how it looks like. And if this doesn't line up, you can always just trim that down. And then what you want to do next, which is optional, you can corner around your corners like I have done here along the corners, or you can just leave it like this if you like, but I'm going to corner around my one. This is a We Are Memory Keepers corner rounder punch. It has 3 different sizes. It's a great corner rounder punch too. Okay, so that's all being corner rounded. And now what we're going to do, we're going to glue up here and down here to create the side pocket. And then just bring it back over and seal that off. And then once you've got that all sealed off, we're going to open this one out and we're going to put glue along here and along here. And if you've used the corner rounder punch, you want to just apply your glue only up to there, just before it starts to curve up on the corner. You don't want to glue it all the way to the top. So I'm just going to stop mine there. Should be enough. And then just press that down. And that will give you your front pocket. So that should all be sealed up now. So you'll have that top pocket and have this side pocket. And now you have this little piece, and this is that coordinating tag that I managed to put inside, which is this piece here. Because I freehanded and cut that, I'm just going to straighten the side that I cut up, just so it's nice and even. Just going to trim off just a little bit. And then I'm going to corner around the top. And that gives me the coordinating tag to go in the front pocket. And that's ready to go. And then all you got to do is add all of your fun goodies on the inside, and you can also add some more in the front. You can punch a hole up here and add some tassels or some charm dangles and decorate that, and decorate the front if you like. But that is the front and side pocket to load your fun goodies with a coordinating tag using a 6x6 paper. Really easy, so sweet. It's a great little Happy Mail idea. And I'm just going to show you, before I show you the kit, I'm going to quickly show you how you can make these cute little tassel bows. So I did a tassel tutorial in my last video, and then I made these as well. And all you need to do, just need to grab a little piece of a card strip. I'm not too sure what size this is. It's probably 1.5 inches wide. And I'm using my crochet thread. And all I've done was I wound it around 10 times. I think this was already wounded. So you just wound it around 10 times, or however amount you want to wind up. The more you wind it around, the more thicker your bow is. So I'm just going to leave it like that just to show you. And then you're going to slide this out of your card. So you have that. I'm just going to wind it another one. So once you've got that, you want to cut up another little piece. And then you're just going to grab it all and grab that little piece and hold that tail, and you're going to wind it in the middle about 4 to 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. I might go 5. And then you're going to just tie a nice tight knot. You want to probably tie it twice. Nice and tight. And you're going to do one more knot. And you'll see it looks like that. Now we're just going to trim off that excess bit where we did the knot, as close as you can. And then you're going to just go inside the loop and separate the thread. And then you have, it looks like that. Just separate your pieces out, and then just trim it so it's all nice and straight. And then just trim it to however short you like your little tassel bow to look like. That's pretty much all there is to making that. And that's how I made that. And all I did was added a jump ring to the middle and then created a dangle. So that's how to make that. And now for the kit, for this pocket, this is what you get in the kit, and it's listed in my shop, and there is only 12 kits available. All my kits do sell out really quick, so you might want to jump in there and have a look at the kit. And if you'd like to purchase one, hopefully you'll get a chance to get this kit. So I'm just going to put all this together. So what you get in the kit, it's really a fun kit that I've put together. I'm quite happy with it. So you will get the envelope, which is similar to this envelope, just like this one. I did die cut it, so all you need to do is assemble the envelope yourself. It's pretty easy. They've got score lines already, so you just follow the score lines and then adhere it. And you'll also get the pocket that I've already made for you. You get the coordinating tag. You also get another tag, which is similar to the one that I've got here. A tiny vellum pocket, a seal bag with a bag topper that I've just cut up for you that you could decorate, which is the same as this seal bag size and the same bag topper. You get the hidden paper clip that I've already made for you. You also get these 3 word sentiments, if I can grab them, it'll be these 3 words that says, hello friend, enjoy this and happy mail. You get a little card that I've punched out a little heart hole down the bottom here. It's just, I use that just so you could, I could hold the paper clip, but you can use that to embellish. You also get this little gold shaped bird, and then there is that little tiny heart that I punched out of that little card there that you could use to decorate and embellish. So these are all the fun pieces that you get in the kit for your front and side loader pocket. So that one's done. And then the other fun kit that I've also put together, it's an embellishment pack which has all of this inside plus a few more, which I'll show you. So in that embellishment pack kit, you'll get a pouch. It's a tea bag. It's for tea leaves, but you can use this to add goodies in there or whatever you like. You can embellish the front as well. So it's a nice size. So you'll get a little pocket pouch. Oops, sorry. 2 doilies. A crocheted heart shape embellishment. A gold puffy heart. And then I've punched out a gold heart and the bird. You get this bow that I've also die cut. I like this bow. 6 word sentiments, and they'll all have the same word sentiments in each pack. They're sort of happy mail themed word sentiments, so they're the words that you get. I've also put in here, it's like a gift card holder that I've die cut. They've got these 3 little tabs where you can place your gift card inside, or you could add some packaging and then just adhere it inside this little envelope style. So that's in there as well. And I think that's all there is in that. Oh, sorry, there is a few more. I knew there was some more. There's also these other fun little embellishments. I'll just put them on the card so you can see. So you'll get a tassel, a little flat back cabochon. You get these 3 flower embroidery embellishments, which was similar to the one that was on the heart. You get the little butterfly charm. That was that little charm that I placed on this tag, and these 2 heart shape self-adhesive embellishments as well. So that's a lot of fun stuff in this embellishment pack that you will get in here. And then it will be packaged like this when you receive it, and it will be packaged in a padded envelope so nothing will get damaged. So I've already packaged it up quite nicely for you with some of my crochet thread, and you can also have this ready to be gifted to somebody, or you could use it for your own projects. So that is the kit. So these are the 2 kits that are available now in my store, and you'll get another free gift for this month, which I think I shared with you in the other video. I'll see if I've got the free gift. Okay, oh yes, so for the month of October, with every purchase in my Etsy shop, you will get one of my handmade envelopes and 2 random, let me just grab it, 2 random circle shaped embellishments, 2 random double-sided printed circle shapes. I did a loaded pocket using these circle shapes, so that's why I've placed them in here, so you can make your own little circle shape loaded pocket. So that is the free gift for the month of October. So a lot of fun stuff happening in my shop, and I do hope you enjoyed this tutorial and my kit share, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.